Hi, I am from Bholanath Precision Engineering Private Limited. We have introduced AC servo motors. We have different kinds of AC servo motors ranging from 400 watts to 4.5 kilowatts. These models are available with gearboxes. These models are available with brake. These models are available with absolute encoders. We have a special range of AC servo motors. They are called flame-proof AC servo motors. We have a PESO certification where it is listed on the wall for all these AC servo motors. Now, the best part of our AC servo motors is we can customize it as per your application. So, whether you are using it in a CNC machine or whether you are using it in a welding applications, so we have the solutions for you. So these motors are also we have introduced these motors in our actuators also. So this is the AC servo based actuators. These are called Rod Style Linear Actuators and it can be used in varied applications. I am showing you the panel of the also AC servo motor. So these are the panel, the drives of this AC servo motor are displayed here. The drives are the integral part of the AC servo motor. Without that drive, the AC servos cannot work. So it is a pair. So AC servo motor comes with the drive and the motor, and the encoder can be of your choice, either incremental or absolute, but the drive will change accordingly. Thanks. The Bholanath Precision Engineering gives warranty of 1 year for AC servo motors, but these motors have a life of more than 10 years. See, it is the construction quality, the input material, the way it is made, the manufacturing process makes us different. We use high quality products in our motors. High quality material is used, and we are the complete R&D is in-house. That was what makes us different from any other manufacturer. Thanks.